Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will explore and learn about the tables feature available in Microsoft PowerPoint. So for inserting a table, you have to go to Insert tab in PowerPoint, okay, where you will find a tables group. So when you click on tables icon, table feature, a menu will open where you will find some cells and as soon as you hover some group of cells, it will start drawing on your slide as you can see here, right? So as I am hovering my mouse onto some of the ranges or array you can say, so it start drawing on my particular slide. Or you can go for the option which is called insert table. So when you click on insert table, a dialog window will appear where you can define number of columns and number of rows which are required to be in your table. So it says that enter a whole number from 1 to 75, right? So this is the limit or a range, or we can also check it by adding a big number. So it says that it maximum goes to the 75, right? So let's say we add 10 by 10 and I will press OK. So 10 columns and 10 rows has been added to my table. Now table is an object again in on my slide. So whenever you have some objects like a picture, a shape or a table, so with the object you will find some of the additional ribbons or tabs. So when you insert a table, you will find two different tabs. The first one is called design and the second one is the layout, where you have a lot of features and you can do a lot of things with this particular object. So in the design tab, you can change the formatting or a style with that particular table, and you can also do uh, all kind of formatting in from the design tab. Either it's related to the shading of this table, having some borders, different kind of a borders you want to add to this particular table. If you want to add a shadow or a reflection as well. So these all features are available. You can erase some of the things as well from the table as well. When you go to the layout, if you want to add some column or a row in your table, you can just go to this rows and columns group and just click on any of the option. Definitely it will add number of columns and number of rows for you. And if you want to delete it, you have the option of delete columns, delete rows, or delete table as well. You can change the height and width as well. And also you have the alignment group, table size group, and arrange group as well within all those features available with the table object. So we are not discussing with very advanced level, but we are covering the fundamentals for the beginners with respect to the tables. All right. Now, for example, if I go to again to the insert tab and I click on table, so you have two more options available. It's a draw table and also Excel spreadsheet. Now, when you click on Excel spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet will appear here, which is called embedded. Embedded means that it's available within the PowerPoint application, but all those features which are commonly available in Excel when you draw a table will be available on your particular slide. And also there is an option called draw table. So when I click on draw table, now you can see there is a small icon which is called pencil is now appear as a cursor of your mouse cursor, and you can just click and you can just add uh, or start drawing a table, right? So this is how you approach inserting a table as well. And one more option which we discussed is called Excel spreadsheet. So let me show you how it works. So I will click on Excel spreadsheet, and within few seconds now you can see that Excel has been embedded into the Microsoft PowerPoint slide. So I can just resize this table, and I can use this spreadsheet, and I can use the Excel tabs as well. So this is a kind of an interface which is embedded within the Microsoft PowerPoint. So I can go to again to the normal mode, right? And now you can see that there is a spreadsheet as well. There are some blank cells has been shown, right? So you can again go to the right click and you can go to worksheet object and click on add it. So again the Excel workbook will open and you can again continue your work, right? So I hope you understood that how to insert a table with four different kind of approaches. And the interesting part is that you have to explore these two tabs, which is called the design tab and layout tab, where you will find a lot of kind of advanced features and attractive features which can add more meaning to your presentations. Thank you.